What is a design system? A design system is a library of reusable components and styles which serve as the building blocks of a user interface. A design system is not a brand. Unlike a brand or brand guide, a design system does not typically involve guidelines about things such as logos, photo and video style, voice and tone, or writing style. What does a design system include? In a design system, we typically find things like styles, such as color palette, fonts, icons, components, such as buttons, forms, alerts, and menus, and patterns, such as screen or page views and interaction patterns. Who creates a design system and who uses it? A design system is a tool created by designers to facilitate better user interface design and developers to make the code they work with more maintainable, so that users of the system can benefit from a consistent and well-maintained user interface. Where does a design system exist? Number 1, in design files, typically in visual design software such as Figma, Adobe XD, InVision, or Sketch. Number 2, in a component library. We use software tools such as Storybook and Pattern Lab to build a component library, and we store the code for it in a repository such as on GitHub or GitLab. Number 3, in a style guide, which is documentation about the design system that might exist in an intranet wiki like Confluence, or if the system is open source, which means anyone can use it, the style guide might be on a public-facing website. What is a component library? A component library is a tool for building, testing, and documenting the components of a design system in isolation from the applications they will be used to build. The library consists of front-end code and documentation about how to use that code, and it is used primarily by developers. What is the atomic model? The atomic model is a method for structuring a design system created by Brad Frost, which you can read about in his book, Atomic Design. In atomic design, simple components, such as buttons and input fields, are created. Then, those are used to build more complex components, which are then used to create even more complex components. This makes the design system easier to maintain. What is a component? A component is a self-contained building block of a user interface. Buttons, menus, forms, and navigation cards are all examples of components. What is a component variant? A variant is a property that allows a component to display in different ways, so that it is flexible enough to meet the needs of the application. Buttons typically have variants such as primary, secondary, and ghost to denote their level of importance. Cards might have vertical and horizontal layouts. Alerts, which may represent a confirmation or a warning, have variants to denote what level of attention they require. Hero banners might have variants that allow for text and photos, or for text only. If you are interested in design systems, keep learning about them. You will likely find new ways to use them and contribute to them that were not mentioned in this video. Design systems work because of the intellectual curiosity of people like you, and by the aspiration we have to make one another's work easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. My name is Monet Fort. I hope you have enjoyed this video about design systems. You can find me at lunarfusion.com. And please, share your feedback in the comments. What did I get right? What did I get wrong? I would love to continue the conversation with you.